Codman Square Health Center's Community Nourishment cooking series. Today we are cooking at Codman's own teaching kitchen located here in Codman Square at 450 Washington Street. We're in the same building as the Daily Table, an awesome nonprofit grocery store, and HealthWorks Community Fitness. My name is Addie, and I'm a graduate student studying nutrition and dietetics here in Boston, completing my fieldwork experience at Codman Square Health Center. Another fun fact about me is that I grew up right here in Dorchester, and I know the neighborhood and community. The purpose of these videos is to hopefully introduce new ingredients and flavors in a way that you may not have thought of before. At the end of each cooking demo, we will share the cost per serving so you can see how this recipe could fit into your lifestyle and budget. Codman's nutrition department hopes these videos will inspire you to start cooking and also to make something new and nourishing. For this recipe, we were able to get many of our ingredients next door to Codman's teaching kitchen at the Daily Table. The Daily Table is local to our community, provides a selection of high quality, fresh produce, meats, dairy, seafood, and grocery staples at prices available to everyone, including prices designed to fit a SNAP budget. Today we will be making a breakfast option that is high in protein, nutrients, and fiber to give you a great start to your day. The fiber and protein will help to keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. So first we're going to start by patting some tofu dry and rolling it in several absorbent paper towels. This can then be topped with some heavy plates for 15 minutes to help drain it. If you want to get the most protein out of your tofu, you want to go with the super firm texture. However, this won't scramble as easily as the softer, extra firm tofu that we're using in this recipe today. So we're going to start by making the sauce. You're going to add some spices into a small bowl with just a little bit of water and adjust to make it pourable. You can use any spices that you crave. We'll be using some garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, cumin, and these spices can go a long way here. So you're going to heat a skillet on medium heat, and you're going to add 1/4 of a red onion and 1/2 of a red pepper with some olive oil. You can also add some spices such as oregano, basil, and an interesting fact about these spices here is that they have some antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and these can help in heart health and also aid in lowering cholesterol and has some glucose lowering activities. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of kale and cover and steam this for 2 minutes. Next, we're going to unwrap the tofu and use a fork to scramble it into small pieces. So I'm just going to scramble this real quick. You want to move the veggies to the side in the pot. You're going to saute this for 2 minutes and then add the sauce, and you're going to pour it mostly over the tofu and a little bit over the vegetables. You're going to stir immediately and then evenly distribute the sauce. And cook this for another 5 to 7 minutes until slightly browned. And the cost is going to be $1.25 per serving. So I decided to go into dietetics because I got into grad school. Originally I wanted to be a doctor, didn't know what to do, went to grad school and got into nutrition and metabolism. From there I realized that I think preventative care is a lot more important. I think we tend to, in our society, wait until people get acute and then we treat that, when in reality a lot of these diseases we have, such as diabetes, hypertension, a lot of this is preventable with diet and lifestyle modification. You're going to fold the veggies into the scrambled tofu, and you can serve this immediately. This recipe serves 2 people, and the cost is $1.25 per serving. And doesn't that look delicious and nutritious? And enjoy. And this is my favorite part of cooking, the taste test. Perfect. I outdid myself. I hope we were able to introduce you to some new flavors and inspire you to experiment with this quick and nourishing recipe. For more healthy recipes and videos, check out Codman Square Health Center's nutrition website at codman.org under our health and wellness resources.